Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Eve, and today we are doing makeup, guys. I'm still slaying on this hairstyle that I did last time, so it's still intact, guys. You can see the gel works, yeah, wonders, guys. So today it's all about makeup, guys. If you're new to my channel, I do makeup, I do natural hairstyling, yes, I do different extensions. Oh yes, and also skincare. Yes, you have to take care of your skin first, yeah, before you use foundation. So guys, let's go straight to the video as you see how we did this makeup look. Subscribe guys. Yes, that's how we do it here. Yes, let's proceed. I'm starting off with the eyebrows, and I'm using Divas number 3 eye pencil, then the spoolie brush, the brush for cleaning the eyebrows, and of course my LA Girl concealer in the shade fawn. I will take this molding wax here and a spoolie brush, yeah, just to like comb my eyebrows. And you can also use soap. This is just a molding wax for dreadlocks. Now it's time to line the eyebrows, and I'll be doing one eye off camera and the other one on camera, guys. Next, now it's time to fill in the brows, and yeah, just do it lightly, guys, because you just don't want those dramatic eyebrows. So fill in facing upwards. Yes.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean.
Now I'm going to clean up using this concealer here.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
Now one eyebrow is ready, guys, and it's perfect. I will go ahead and do the other one off camera. Next, I'll do the eyeshadow, and I'm using the concealer in the shade beige. Yep, so let's blend that.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
I'll start with this BH Cosmetics palette, yeah, in the shade a light pink.
We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
Next, I'll go ahead and cut that crease, yes, as we prepare for that glitter eyeshadow look, guys. After cutting the crease, I'm now using the same palette in the shade white.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us.
Next, I'll take this glitter eyeliner, just to cover that part as a glue. So this is what I use as my glue. So I'll just tap in the other eyeshadow. That is the glitter eyeshadow, and you can see it's a pink. Yep, and press it in.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need.
At the outer corner, I'll just blend that in. Just the same shade that I used to transition. That is what I'm using. Next, I'll take my Zaron eyeliner and line that, guys.
Like we need them. We don't need.
And my eye makeup is ready. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So we'll go ahead and do the face. For the face, I started with this. This is the primer. This is Divas Cosmetics primer. This is a very good primer, and it really moisturizes your skin. Yes, so I had already done that before my eye makeup, so I won't repeat that. I'll go straight to the foundation. And for the foundation, I'm using Black Opal. Yes, in the shade Nutmeg. So I'll go ahead and spread this all over my face.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it.
I will use this brush to spread my foundation.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow?
Next, I will use this concealer here. This is the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn.
I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
Next, I'm going to blend that. So always make sure that your beauty blender is done before using it. Sprinkle it with water, then you squeeze it.
For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us.
After that, we'll do the setting powder as we contour. So I'll use the same sponge.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need.
Next, I'm going to contour, and I'm using the LA Girl press powder to contour. This is a darker shade of my skin tone.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I
it's time to blend all this. I'll take my Elegant Cool Tan to blend all this together. Next, I'll take a blush and I'll be using this Trendy Tap blush.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing.
And finally, the highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm using J-Cut.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
Now I'm using a Maybelline setting spray, this one here. So I'll go ahead and set all my makeup. For the lips, I'm going to use Divas Cosmetics Lippies, and I'm using this. This is High Drama, this shade here, and then this pink here, which is Candy. So I'm going to do an ombre with these two.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound.
Guys, this is my final look. See that glow, guys? See that glow? The pink is matchy. Yeah, the lips, yes, and the glitter, and my nails, guys. Ooh, I love. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. See you on the next one. Bye.